G'day guys, I'm heading to the laundry centre again for washing with Chris, Josh and Servisslimline, Phil. And I'm also going to repair my Hoover A3308 motor. So keep yourselves tuned in, watching HD, because you're watching Florence Ballard A3308, the channel made in loving memory of the original Supreme Florence Ballard and Hoover's first 1100 RPM washing machine, the A3308 Electronic 1100.
Still do it at 60. It was me, but whatever.
Letterbox.
Letterbox, cat flap.
No, you put some in the drawer.
Remember you saw that Becco with all the power gems in the drawer?
To be honest, it's annoying having that little cap in the drum really. I just want to empty it on top of the wall.
Oh yeah, they should be in the drum, shouldn't they?
Doesn't matter now.
Oh well. Right, you can start up if you want.
It's not by law anyway. What we want to do, so what? Just press.
No, you need to let it scroll through.
Yeah?
And when it hits the right program, you press select program.
Okay.
You have to wait for it to count all the way around.
What are we selecting?
Fast colour 60, isn't it?
Yeah, 60.
That's the best thing you
Half
could have
load.
said. How to get
Normal.
the best results,
Normal.
wash it 30 or higher.
And then.
Half load. Start.
It's there.
That's cool.
You know what's aggravating about the drum on my machine though? It's the gap between the door and the seals is so annoying. It's
Is
so,
it the older seal with the big
yeah.
trough? Yeah.
Well, the original one it had didn't have that gap.
Is Brandon probably going to want to see the speed boom one?
Yeah, don't mind. We can always do it for the next time. The thing is, you can never see all of Chris's machines because you always get something new.
Yeah.
I'll have to get some then, I think. Give them a go.
Glad that doesn't have the black tape around the bottom of it.
Black tape, what?
All the old Hoovers had like black tape around the bottom.
I'll just charge my phone.
What the hell was that?
Sorry.
Trip hazard. What's it say there? By appointment to Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II. Oh yeah, the former had that on it. See the water level there.
Probably did top up, wouldn't it?
Yeah, they do. Quite quiet motors really.
I presume it did take it all in.
They do.
Nice sound motor.
You don't really hear it until the spins, to be honest, the motor on these.
It is now, it wasn't when he got it.
Shut up drilling. Just sit on this and film it. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, chance.
Yeah, go for it.
I'll sit on the WD-860.
Oh, I've heated now, I can't be up.
Maybe it's tired now.
It's like...
No point doing it anymore.
Might as well just drain, you know what I mean?
Well, for all the good it's doing, I mean, you can't exactly soak clothes at 60, can you? If it had those tumbles all the way through, I wouldn't mind so much. It's the fact that it starts really well.
Okay, what machine has the worst tumbles though? Like you've probably ever seen? Oh, okay. I need Maloney from that.
No, Maloney tumbled length is good.
It's just the drum.
The drum is just crap.
Right, so we're using the speed thing next.
Yes.
What time are we heading out for lunch, you reckon?
That's a good point. Should we bring it back here?
Yeah.
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 Well, I'll just send you out today.
Me?
Why don't you just get Uber Eats or something? No.
I'll post you out with a big menu. I'll give you my credit card.
Yeah.
I got one. I got mine.
We'll all go together.
Yeah. I got a credit card as well.
I'll use that big computer. Have you got the ones where have the big display things? Yeah.
Take it back here.
Cool.
You won't go home now. Still stupid. Why do the better tumbles when it's not necessary?
I still think they should spin off the wash.
That's doing a good cool down level.
Chris, was it the electrons that don't spin after every rinse?
I think so.
Yeah, I think it is.
Spin off like one intermediate spin
That's
or
still
something.
heavy. These
Oh,
two
it's so nice and high.
Oh, is it?
Shut the door and let it go.
Oh, yeah.
Well, the bucket, that one.
Not like that one that you keep having to.
We're going straight in the first rinse.
Distribution, I think, isn't it?
We might do distribution.
Oh, that's a step cool down, isn't it?
So satisfying just sitting on the walk around. You're going to want to keep the exact motorway, won't you?
No, I don't mind. Because I think the ones out of these ones sound a little bit better. I think.
Right.
Well, the reason why I call it shitty is because it has a brushed motor. And it's loud.
What, a Samsung
A
Drive?
dryer with a brush motor, what?
Yeah, no, they do a digital inverter. They do a digital inverter motor.
That's the first thing I've
That's
ever heard.
brushed. That won't be brushed. No, that's just a digital inverter like a Panasonic.
You're chugging
That
something.
spins.
Bye then.
Fucking hell. Oh my god. Holy crap.
Yeah, that's what Ubers are like.
Oh my god.
Now you know why I have to stand there holding mine down. Yeah, I've got to hold mine down because it takes the kitchen covered with it. I think people have that in their kitchen.
Yeah, I know, it's crazy.
Down upstairs. There you are.
That's better.
It's when it's the
No, to be fair, it's how did people have a service in their kitchen?
Yeah, yours walks.
I mean,
the
it's
phone.
like a comedy machine.
That's really bad. What you did to the hot 2032.
Oh, yeah.
I cut it out of the video, luckily.
Well, no, my dryer isn't digital inverter, but there is other models that do.
My fridge is digital inverter. Jeez, my Hoover never suds lots, no matter how many towels I put in it. Mine never does that. I put like a full load of towels in it.
I think you put too much power jets.
Yeah, he didn't put that much in there.
You put it in both compartments. didn't you?
Oh, god, yeah, he put another load in.
You put another load in the hot compartment. Oh god, it's stopped now. Whoa. It handles it well though.
Yeah.
Just shows
Becca would be
you, doesn't it?
vomiting out the drawer.
Yeah, exactly.
See, my
Becca would just vomit.
properly. It will cut out and restart.
What will?
My Bendix will cut out if it gets.
My meter's supposed to and it don't bloody do it.
That's because it's a Miele.
Don't Maloney's cut out as well, don't they? If it gets a certain...
Not that I know of.
And there's Chris.
Do you know probably why it's leaking? Oh, that one, yeah.
Curry's exclusive one, yeah.
Oh, yeah, the other hole in the tub. That is going to go mental.
I don't think it's as bad as the last one
No, I
was.
don't think it is.
You don't find this one?
No,
No.
between rinse 1 and 2, yeah, 2.
That is going to go mental.
To be fair, the pump's quieter on that than it is on my one.
Is it?
Mine sounds like a refrigerator compressor.
Right.
Rum, 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 rum. Like that it goes.
Whoa! Doesn't work.
These sort of overshoot.
Oh!
Maybe personal power. Maybe because
It's
it's...
not hitting the floor like that.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
trying to kick a wasp.
Yeah, don't do that. I'll get another one. Where's the one? Oh, they're all going to come around me.
No, yeah.
Try to kill it.
What did I ever do to the one?
Well, I hate them, so...
They don't like you.
Right.
No, I don't like them. That is... Oh, at least it's not as thick as last time. It's more watery now.
My
Oh, yeah.
A36, you never bloody saw. And the first wash I did that, I crammed full to the brim with towels. Yeah, 4 kilogram worth of towels, probably about 4.5 in there actually. Nice machine.
800 and 1100.
I don't know how Mike did it. One of his videos, his computer control goes straight to 800 I don't know. Ah, at least it does that.
What, then it will switch over to spin 800?
No, what it does, not my A36 does it, it spins 500, then it redistributes everything. Then it does the 500, 800, 900.
You're right. Which one?
Give me the extra rinses.
Your pump's really quiet on that.
Probably because it's got that waste hose on it. It always makes me laugh how they say, this machine has 13 programs. No, it's got 1, 2, 3, 7.
They're just the options,
It's
isn't it?
just the options. It's not a program, it's an option. There's a difference.
Yeah, like my
Exactly.
A36 has got 2 settings for each program. So it makes
It's
it...
like, it's like when they call the Hot Point 95 synthetics
Are you keeping this
first
one,
rinse.
Chris?
Oh god,
Is-
yeah. I don't use the synthetic side at all.
I do,
No.
very, very
I
rarely.
only use it for filming it.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's,
They call the cool down a rinse. It's not a rinse.
It's not.
and I think they should do more than one spin between the rinses on the synthetic side.
Yeah, I mean the thing is, it does 2 rinses. It's just stupid. A rinse is an exchange of water.
Yeah. So I don't get why people call the cool down a shuttle rinse. Like, it isn't a rinse.
Yeah, no. Shuttle cool down. Yes.
Oh, I forgot it does burst.
I've never seen it do that.
Yeah, Gary's one does that. Yeah, I remember it does that. I think it's actually to check its balance, I think. Like,
But no, because it's going to redistribute it.
yeah.
I've still got that.
Yeah, that's right.
All that.
I had a person on my videos who was saying that the way the 9.5 distribute is better than the WM. So I was like, well, no, because the 9.5 just snatch everything to one side straight away.
No,
Not always.
necessarily, because the fact that
Half load does, I think.
the WMs take such a long time to get to distribute.
Didn't they go up and down? The speed goes up and down
It's
when they
not even
distribute.
that.
Yeah.
They just take so long to increase the speed of distribution. Sometimes it doesn't actually.
What I don't
work.
like about them is they don't balance. They just completely cut out. Like, they don't actually stop and rebalance.
Sounds healthy.
How much are you getting for that, Chris? What? How much are you getting for that? How much my son? Yeah.
Was that the motor doing that? So was it the shock? It sounds different to my motor, definitely. It's got a different sound to it. This has got a deeper. This has got a deeper sort of.
What would you prefer though?
I like this one a bit.
Do you?
My A36 has got a higher sort of sound to it. Watch when I get to 800. I'll throw them mad then. It'll rattle a bit. Rattle or see, completely controller. Yeah, alright, so I'll be taking that meal.
Are you actually?
Yeah, send that over to Australia.
Wow. It's cheaper than seal.
Just put a W700 seat still on it. Or W800 probably.
Wow. That's a hybrid motor.
Yeah, Hoover have got quite good suspension over there. It's quite stiff.
Well, it's because it's got dampers down in the springs.
Springs round it, yeah.
Whereas Service just had the dampers.
Did Service have that sort of like rope across the top of it?
Yeah, the straps, yeah.
The new Hoover, have you seen what the new Hoovers look like?
What, the axle?
Well,
That
the
sounds-
Chinese
I've
They're just the same as the Dynamic and the Dynamic Next and the Vision.
yeah, Optima probably.
They haven't changed in over 10 years.
I think after the Nextra it all just became the same.
Well, no, the Nextra and the 6 were the same.
Yeah.
After that, they changed the disc range and now they changed this.
I can pass that.
Yeah, that. Yeah.
What's that?
The new Hoover.
I've got to say, that motor does sound a lot nicer. Wait for it to drop. Two minutes at each speed.
Is it?
Yeah, 2 minutes at every speed they do. You see it goes spin, it'll do like drop.
Chris, get this.
Yeah, look at that.
Sorry, I'm going to jump over.
You're gonna jump through.
Two machines.
Oh dear, that's what I said.
Yeah.
Is that higher? The higher?
Yeah.
They are. That sounds like more of an increase than the one.
Where did I sped up that
That's what I thought it was going to be like the 1200. No, it's 1100. Trade you that from an A3308?
Sorry?
Did you trade that for an A3308? That one, no?
I trade that for? Are you serious?
No, I'll never get that machine. That's like the one machine I probably want to give up.
What motor do you prefer then, Brandon?
That one sounds a lot deeper. It's got like a deeper raw rumble to it. Oh, that better not be rain.
No.
Although,
What do you think you see droplets?
looks like it.